Welcome back. So today, instead of doing anything important, I decided I'd clean this dash up because in maybe a year or two, I'll be able to sit in here and drive it and see the dash. So I figured why not tackle that today? Get it cleaned up. But eventually, when this goes back together, I want to have all the factory knobs and make it look like I didn't mess with it, like I messed with everything else. And so I'm going to take this thing apart. I've got crack sack for little parts. Looking for a glove box, because I'm going to probably put a stereo in there. Oh no, I'm going to put a stereo here, but I'm not going to cut the dash. Not sure what I'll end up doing there. Stereos now, you can get those little itty bitty, like they're basically just monitors. That's probably what I'll end up doing. Maybe I'll put this one back in and hide the Bluetooth stereo thing. But anyway, I'm going to speed this up and put some music on and enjoy. Well, everything I wanted to get off the dash is now off. The things I knew that I was replacing, I wasn't as gentle with, like the cigarette lighter. That I'll drill out and I'll put one of those more modern chargers because I won't be using a cigarette lighter to light any cigarettes. So our citrus strip has been on now for over an hour. It's you can tell that it's turning brown, so that means that brown paint is coming off. I don't think it's pulling off the green and the white, the factory color. I just think that the paint, the brown paint that they used when they painted this car wasn't a very good quality and they didn't prep it very well. I didn't even know if they sanded it, but it's coming right off. And so I'm going to strip it. I've got my steel wool. When I remove the citrus strip, I use a thicker steel wool than the fine stuff because it's just going to build up with the citrus strip and the paint coming off. So I usually unravel this and make it bigger. And then when I get done wiping this off, I'll get most of this citrus strip off. And then once I get all the goo off, I go over it with Comet. And in this case, I've got the lemon fresh because it smells like I'm having a lemonade. I just use that and some water, and we'll do that. Over 900 subscribers today. That's awesome. I'm happy with it. I think it turned out really good. And after looking at it, I like the brown that's in the center here. I love the white coming through the green. Might just keep it this way. What do you think? Thanks for watching. I can't thank you guys enough.